Tired of lag ruining your epic Minecraft adventures? Today, we're going to supercharge your Curseforge Modpacks with Optifine, unlocking smoother gameplay and stunning visuals. First things first, open your CurseForge application and navigate to the Minecraft tab. This is where all the modpack magic starts. Now, select the modpack you want to optimize, then click the button that is labeled Add More Mods. This will take us to the mod browser. Go to the search bar and type in Optifine. Be sure to spell it correctly for the best results. In the search results, you should see Optifine listed. It's usually easy to spot, but double check the name, look for the install button and give it a click. CurseForge will now automatically download and install Optifine into your chosen modpack. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, Optifine will appear in your mod list, usually alongside all your other mods. Make sure it has a checkmark indicating it's enabled, if applicable. Launch your modpack through the CurseForge launcher. The game will start as usual, but this time, with Optifine's enhancements. Head to Options in the main menu to access Optifine's settings. They'll let you customize things like performance, shaders, and visual quality. Inside Video Settings, you'll find a plethora of options. Experiment with them to find the perfect balance of performance and visual quality that suits your system. That's it, you've successfully added Optifine. Enjoy your smoother gameplay, enhanced visuals, and a far better Minecraft experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips.